Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of this video on how to create SMM website. This is a website that sell both like followers. You can purchase your follower, like, comment and many other services. There are a lot of them in the website right away that will be seen on your FYP, that advertising. This is how you can purchase or how you can create the website for that. For us to do that, I just log into my cPanel. This is my cPanel. I've created a lot of stuff on my cPanel already. That means I've used my public_HTML folder. Now right away I cannot use that anymore because I want to create this website. Then instead of that, this is a benefit for you. I want to create this on a subdomain. There I will teach you how you can create a subdomain on your cPanel right away. Okay. If you have not watched the first part of this video, please just scroll. You will see the first part so that you can understand what you are doing. Now we are about to create the exact website, the website that where people can buy followers, like and many others. I just scroll down to my domain section. This is the domain section. Then I click on these domains. As I said earlier, I have a lot of domain, subdomain, and already I've used my public_HTML. Like those people that are new to website design, that you only understand public_HTML, that's where they upload file into. That's not the only exact place. You can create subdomain and host your website, any type of website on the subdomain. Then when I scroll down, you will see a lot of websites I've created. These are demo. There are more to see here, as you can see. Then this website I want to create your subdomain. The next thing you need to do after logging to your domain section, you click on create a new domain. Once click on that, then you enter your domain name, the subdomain which is the first name SMM. This is the subdomain. Then I click on dot. Then I enter my read domain that I've already purchased before, that I've linked to this cPanel. php demo.name.ng. Then from here, now this is my domain, php demo.name.ng. that is my read domain. Then the SMM is the subdomain, and I can see that they say it's already exists. Let me check if it has already exists. Let me go back to check. SMM, no, nothing like that here. Let me go to the next page. Like that. Let me just refresh. Let me click on it again. SMM dot. Then click on this. Let me just add M here to F here to represent followers. Okay. Now it does not have this on the table. Now once you click on this button here, once you mark it, means that this subdomain you are creating will be using the same folder, which is that your public_HTML file. That means you cannot create this website on a separate places that someone can see it, because we already have public_HTML a domain, the exact domain I've linked to that. Then once you create this subdomain, that means you are sharing the same folder with it. That means anything that you host on your public_HTML, that is what your subdomain will be saying too. Instead of that, just leave it, don't mark it, then leave it, just click on submit. Then we'll submit this. Okay, good. Now we have a successful message here. Now we have created our we have created our subdomain successfully, which is this smmf.php demo.ng. Once you copy this, let me just copy it and put it here for reference. Can you click on it? As you can see, not secure and other things, but this is just simple way you can work on this by adding SSL. But automatically with this host, before 10 to up to 10 minutes, that is not secure, the SSL will be automatically installed. Okay, let us go to our folder right away so that we can upload our data. Now just scroll down, and this is exact way what people do on the internet they use to make money. Then you click on file manager. Once it comes to your file manager, you will see a lot of subdomain that you have already created. Don't need to mind those, just look for the one that you just created that you want to use. SMM, look at it here. As you can see, when you open it, then allow this to delete it because the website is already seeing this cg.bin. Then just delete it. Once you come here and refresh, you will see that we do not have anything. Will be showing we don't have anything. We still have a cache here, but don't worry, let me show you the process. Now you have deleted that. Next thing we need to do is to upload our file. Very easy. Click on upload. From the upload, let me just select my file. Yeah, I store my file into. Can jam me for any type of script. Okay, website script. Look at it here. Then just my first way that I used to do, just align that, drag and drop it here. Now our file will start installing right away. Okay, while we are installing while we are uploading our script, let's just do other necessary things that are very important on the system. Then just go to your tools here. Then we need to create a database, which is all everybody knows about that. Then you click on this database wizard for easy access. Then just enter. I just named the database SMMF. Okay, DB. I click on next. They have named it again, the user SMMF user. They are generate a password from here. Let me just generate the password. Ctrl C. Yes. I click on create user. Now we have created a database. Add up privilege. I'm coming. Let me check if our file almost okay. It's almost done. Then I can just bring out a notepad here for easy access. Then we'll save our password here. Then we'll copy our database name, Ctrl C. Then we'll save it here to username. These are the most necessary things you need to do. Ctrl C. Ctrl V there. Next we going to do, after giving the database and the user privilege, just scroll down, click on make change. After making the change, that's all from here. Okay. Now, after that we have created the database, the next we need to do right away is to go to the cPanel again. I click on cPanel, click on tools, anyone. Now I have come here. You need an email for this stuff. I'm just trying to fast on this system so that it will not take much of your time on the video. Then you can just click on email account. Then you can create other emails here. Now for to create email, that's how I click on email account. Can you click on this create email? Then since I have a lot of subdomain here, let me just select the one I just created, SMMF. Look at it. Then I click on, just enter the email I want, support. Then for this support, I'll just generate the password. This is the password for the support. Ctrl C. In case I want to log in, use it to my phone or that, but I'm not ready to log in with anything on another platform. Just create this for a purpose of this stuff. I click on this and click on create. Now we have created this. I only allow this in case I want to create another email, so that will not take me back. Then I will come back. That's why I'm on this. But that's just the purpose. That's all. I click on cPanel. Then once you come here, you see that we have already upload our file. Can you click on go back for this? Once click on this, the next thing you need to do is to see your file or your zip file that you uploaded. This is the file we uploaded. Then click on extract to extract the file. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do as much as possible subscribe, like and comment, share your thoughts. And you can also suggest other systems that you want to create that we have not seen on this platform. I can help you with that also. Then click on close here. Okay, from here you will see different file here. This is documentation of the file. We don't really need that. This is update file. When it comes here, SQL. Here you see the database. Here this is database. Restore.sql. Then can you click on this and download this first. Then you go back. Then this is the project right away. You can extract it. Let me just share something. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to click on this project, extract. Then click on extract. You see that I will extract that file on this place. Then click on extract file. Now we have extract our file safely. Can you click on close? Now you will see the lot of data here. Now the next thing to do is to connect our website to our database. Now I have already created the website here. Can go to this place, which is the domain we are using. I refresh. Okay, because of this you need to remove this. Enter the real domain we need. Then click on send. Still telling us that we have these files here. I'm coming. Let me try from tab SMM. Okay, as you can see, this is a error from the cache. You understand? This error from the cache already saved our cache here. That is why for the first time we open it, but that's not a problem. That's not the radio. The next thing to do, from what we just enter here, let me just open for you in the new SMS. From here, once you open it, what you need to do is that we have not connected our database to our system. That's why, if not, everything is working perfectly. As you can see, we see that SQLi state so access denied, this one. Then the next thing we need to do now is to connect our database to the system. Just scroll down. Don't be straightful. This .env, just click in and edit it. This is where we will use our data that we created, the database details that we saved. This is where we will use it. Now for us to do that, just go direct to where we save it to. This is what we save while creating. This is the password. Just copy the password, Ctrl+C. Then comes here, you see database connect, you see password here. You can enter your password here. This is your password. Then come here, the database name. You copy the database name, Ctrl+C. Once it comes here, you see the database name is SMF. Just clean it, Ctrl+V. Paste it. Then it comes here, you see the username, Ctrl+C too. Then you save this here, paste it, and that is all. The next thing you just need to do is to click on save. After saving, this data we have already used, you can delete it, you can save it to our system, and that's all, because this is where we'll use it and we are done with it. Now we can easily go back to our software, our website, to check if it's working perfectly. Okay, from here we see that we have this error. Now let's refresh our system. Okay, now I see base table of view not found. Now one thing we have not done inside that we have not uploaded our database. We have not uploaded our database, just comes to the C panel here, scroll down, it comes here, php underscore my admin, because we have not uploaded our database into the database that we created. That's why it's showing that. I'm just doing this step by step so that you understand some error that you are seeing on a website while creating it. In case you link something or you do not link a database to you will understand it. Then once you scroll down, I have to look for a database that you created for this stuff. Look at this, SMF. Once you click on it, you will see that everything is empty. It means that we have not put anything database here, we have not uploaded. The next thing to do is to import. Click on import. Then click on choose file. Once you choose file, this is the database. As you can see here, just come to download. Then you come to your download. There you see it installed. This is what we just downloaded from the file that we uploaded. Then where you are buying this script or you are purchasing this script from me, you will have a database like this too on it. You don't need to be panicked here. We get this database. It's very easy. Then you just click on it. Then click on open. Start clicking on open. Just scroll down. Don't touch anything. Leave everything as it is. Then click on import. Then the system will import those data into it because the data is missing. That's why we are having that error. That's the now our file is uploaded. You can just come here. You see the admin. As you can see, this is admin everything. Let me just copy this for its first time. Sorry for that. Now you can just come direct. Comes here, just refresh. There's no big deal, just refresh. Now you see that the system will start working perfectly because the database we have uploaded it. As you can see, this is the website. Boom, our website is on now. And it's very easy. I know that this does not take much of your time. It's because of the practical aspect, because I'm teaching you. That's why you see that I waste much of the time. So up to 18 minutes we have created the website. But let's assume that I'm the one creating by myself. How do you think it will take? It will take at least 5 minutes. I'm done with it. Within 5 minutes you have created a website like that. You can easily charge your clients as much. The lowest depends on the country. The lowest will be 400, 300,000 to create this type of website. If you need the script for this website, you can drop a message on my inbox or join my tutorial group where I drop update. As you can see, and most of these things that you can easily modify everything here. Okay, let's go back to our panel. Comes here. Let's say close this. Yeah, close this. Until we saw while creating this stuff, you see something like documentation. Once it comes to the documentation, we see a file here, index.html. Let me show you what I mean by this. SMF /documentation /index.html. In case you are creating any website at all, or you purchase a script for someone, you can easily go to it will come with documentation. Most of the sites come with documentation where you can able to see everything. But already, why this documentation do not put that? We have already installed everything that we needed on this website, and every port has blocked to go to that documentation. That's why if not, we open where you will see everything about the documentation, how it comes to how you can use it. Let me just view the documentation for you with HTML. You see that this is a normal HTML page. Once you follow the documentation, you can easily understand how you can install the file. You understand how you can easily install the file. Let me show you something here. Once you extract this file here, extract here. Let us know that you want to create it for the first time. You can easily extract your file. Then you read the documentation through. You don't need to stress yourself. Click on the documentation, index.html. Then you open this in any website that you want to create it. As you can see, I brought all the documentation fully for everything. Then you can just follow the reading and follow up the documentation to get how you can create everything successfully. And now you can scroll, you will see that everything needed have been taught on this documentation. They don't need to stress yourself or do one thing or the other. That's one thing about this stuff. Then let's go to our admin of this system. We go to the admin, just come here /admin. If you are a developer, you can make some other changes for the admin to change the name of the admin so that everyone cannot just go there and try it for you. And the admin is admin as the password. You can just click on login. Then boom, we have opened our admin. But don't expect that you will see this once. Now once it comes to here, this is one things you need to set. You need to set your own jobs so that your system will be work fine. For you to set the code job, let me show you this aspect. The next thing you need to do is copy this. Now you will see that. Let's go to our documentation first so that we understand about the code job. Come to code job. Now that thing, set a code job for every 5 minutes, 1 per 5 minutes, so that we work on this code job will be running. There is it. Then we run on this code job. This is command for email. Then we will be notify anybody. Then for you to work on for you to set this code job, you need to come to your tools. You can type code job here. Code job. Then you click on it, as you can see. Then it comes here. It comes to your admin panel. This is the admin panel. Then you click on this copy. Then go to here, go to your code job. Just scroll down. Then click on this. Look at it. Once per 5 minutes, you just click on it. Then scroll down. Don't touch anything. Click here. Then you paste the command that you copied. Then you just click on add code job. Now we have set our first code job. The next thing to do is to copy the other one to set the other code job. We still have other code job. Command for other status. Now this one will work as maybe someone make an order your platform. As it still was counting, then you can give update to your website, because this website is working as a sub website to order. But there are also places you can get cheaper rate of boost you can sell on your website. Also, I taught that on my class. In case you purchase this script, you will see some things that have already put in place for you. I can see for you. Then click on this, just copy it here. Once you copy this, then just scroll here, comes here again for the code job. Sorry, let's see this code job that's supposed to be created. Let us just see. Let's go here. Because we need to set to code job. The other one is 5 minutes. It will be still 5 minutes. Let's just set it as 5 minutes too. Then just come here. You select the once per 5 minutes. You scroll down. Then click on this and space your command too. Then you click on add. And that is all. The next thing we need to do is to close this. So come to our admin panels, and that is all. Can you close this? We don't really need that. Now here you will see everything about your systems. You see all user, and I've already taught about this, how you can use the system. Can you understand? It's very simple. You create user at everything. This is what you call API. The API provider, you can add API. You can just go to any type of website that you want to give you the service. Then add and set everything. And that is all for this training. You can easily set up your email and everything from the settings here. As you can see, email settings. You can set your email and every other thing. Okay, thank you for watching this amazing tutorial. Let me log out from the system. Please don't forget to comment, like and share to your loved ones so that they will understand. This is easy way how you can create this type of systems for educational purpose and everything. You can just click on enter. You can easily log in. This is the website right away, and everything is working perfectly. You can easily register and do anything with it. Thank you. You can also modify your own page and everything.